Moving here.
You have eyes on somebody?
Yeah.
Mark the target.
Shot him.
There's a boy. The angles though. How did that miss? That was a 3-plate. Oh, there he is again. Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Is there just that one dude?
I think.
Homeboy's is gonna get his head taken off if he's not careful.
Ultra One, killing operators will put a contract on your head. Engage at your discretion.
Enemy sniper here.
Are you serious? 300 yards?
Moving here.
Camp, air quotes.
Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming. Ultra One, you've got hostile reinforcements incoming.
Oh, someone's bombing the shit out of it.
Out of what?
Out of the exfil over here.
Oh, good.
Oh, the helicopter's there. I'm gonna try and side chop it.
Alright.
Taking effective fire.
Operators will put a bounty on your head. Ultra One, activity has increased in the area. Keep your eyes open.
How many was on it?
2!
Whoa.
Just like floating around.
Ah!